Welcome crafters! In this video, I'm going to show you 5 easiest charms to make as beginner. So watch carefully till end. I hope you like it. Oops! Here is the first one. A cute kawaii duck. Shape it like this and make it flat from bottom. Can you believe? I'm using my homemade clay to make these cuties. But if you are a beginner, I will suggest you to use foam clay. It's easy to handle, but it's good only for practice, and after drying this clay becomes foam-like, easy to break. But the clay I'm using now dries much harder, which makes it less fragile. Here I use black pointer to draw eye dots, because for beginners it's difficult to make these details with clay. Every time I apply clear glue on surface before sticking these details. Otherwise, it's difficult to stick details on this clay without glue. I use my mommy's blush to apply blushin. If you don't have soft pastels, you can use your mommy's blushin with her permission. Insert eye pin. Now you can make keychain for yourself or you can sell them. Now I am going to make a second charm. It's a cute tiny ghost. I'm showing you the easiest way to make these things, so don't skip and watch till end. Pinch from the edges with fingers like this. Here I am using my paintbrush back to add details. If you don't have paintbrush, you can use makeup brush like this or any other thing shaped like this brush. Look how beautiful it comes out. If you are a beginner, you definitely don't have tools. So I'm showing you how you can use available things as tools. Fill these holes with black clay. Here I'm applying clear glue before sticking hands. Apply blush for a better look. You can make mini version of them and make earrings. They will look definitely good. Here is a third one, and it's going to be a cute kawaii bunny. You can use pencil or pen as tools to shape your clay like this. Ignore my grammar mistakes because English is not my first language and I am still learning. So don't judge me. I apply a thin layer of petroleum jelly. That's why my clay is shining smoothly. These are small black beads. And here is clear glue that I use on my charms. It's so cheap and local, but it works wonders on my charms. I literally love this glue. The black beads I showed you before are used as eyes. You can also use acrylic paint or pointer to draw these details. Draw carefully with light hands patiently. Here is little strawberry. Just stick a small piece of green clay to red triangle. It's done. It comes out cute. Now this one is my favorite charm. Look how I use this brush as a tool for sculpting. Looking cute. This one is my most favorite character. Now this one is going to be a cute kawaii bear. After watching this video, comment your favorite one. I like the octopus and ghost. Make a small triangle to make bear nose. I don't like these feet, so I decided make new with same brown color. Now it's looking good. Do you like it? If you find my video useful, then please subscribe for more content. and like and leave a comment. It helps so much with YouTube algorithm. Oops!